Cheeky family, cheeky family. Hi everyone, to Cheeky Family. Today we're gonna do another blind boxing video. So today we're gonna be blind boxing this little taco kit, I think it's called, and this LOL surprise doll. Let's open this. It is squishy a little bit. Look at the new taco. This is not to eat. There's this yummy taco. Ah, it's not to eat. Who could we get? Let's open it up and see who we. Oh, it's so it was wrapped up in this little smiley face. This is how cute it is. Little puppy dog. We have pizza sauce. Cute little puppy. It's not to eat. Alright, now we're gonna add this. Ow, 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 ow. Success. Well, I thought it was to unzip one of this. It's not. See? This is how I do it. Who is it? Look at her, she's so adorable. But she hasn't her clothes on yet. She's like peeling down her clothes. Her clothes are going off and stuff. Oh. It's time to open a big surprise. Yeah, big jump. Wait, I think there's some things to unbox right now. There's like these little packaging before we have it. Like Mama stand. I'll show you guys. Look at it. Let's open it. I don't know what it is. I just stuck my hand in there and that's what it looks. What's this? I think it's a stand. Now, let's done. We got a little look at me. I am beauty. Look at me, I am beauty. Hairbrush. I'm not sure how cool this is because it looks like little hangers on them. I think it must be a clothes or something. Look how cute. It's a little jacket. It's big because look at it. It looks like it's Mama's dress. Queen, I think it says. Cool. And now there's a little iPad she plays on. Also, this little headband and some glasses. My family, but mobile, watching family.